Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Volkswagen Tiguan tail light. First, open your vehicle's tailgate to gain access to the rear light assembly. You will see a small plastic access cover on the inner side of the tail light. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry this cover off, revealing the fasteners underneath. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal process. Now that the cover is off, you will see 2 Torx screws holding the tail light in place. Grab your T25 Torx screwdriver and carefully loosen and remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, the tail light assembly is primarily held by clips. Gently pull the entire light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to release it from its mounting points. With the tail light assembly free, you now need to disconnect the electrical connector. First, locate the small red safety tab on the connector and pull it back. Then, press the main release tab and gently pull the connector straight off. To replace a bulb, twist the bulb holders counterclockwise to remove them from the housing, allowing you to easily access and replace any faulty bulbs. To reassemble, first reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring the red safety tab is pushed back into its locked position. Next, align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly into place until it sits flush. Reinsert and tighten the 2 Torx screws. Finally, before closing your tailgate, turn on your vehicle and test all tail light functions to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.